we're back here. This is lesson 146, Number Skills, Part 2. Okay, so you should have had Part 1 finished, and we ran out of time, so we have to go and do a Part 2. So we have something really fun, something that's new that you haven't been doing yet. So I have candy, flowers, and apples, so we're going to work with that. And we just started learning how to take away or minus. It's called subtraction. So on the first picture here, we have a candy on a candy dish. But we're going to take away some. So let's look at our number sentence. It's a subtraction sentence. 5 take away or minus 5. 5 minus 5 equals something. So we're going to figure out what that something is. So first we have to take away. We have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to take them away and we're going to put them down here so they're not on the tray anymore. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we took away 5. How many's left? We have nothing left. So whenever we're saying we have nothing, that means what number? 0. That's right. So 5 minus 5 equals 0. Okay, so I'm going to go back up here and get my pointer. Let's look at the next subtraction sentence. Ready? 3 minus 3 equals something. You say what that is, and let's see if that's what it is. See if your answer is right. Okay, so we have 3. 1, 2, 3. We're going to take away 3. Here we go. Are you going to count with me? 1, 2, 3. So we had 3 and we took away 3. How many's left? Did you say 0? That's really good because it is 0. Okay, let's go to the last picture on this. We have a subtraction sentence. 6 minus 6 equals box. So we have to figure out what goes in the box. So we have 6 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 apples. We're going to pick those 6 of those apples. Let's see if we can pick. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We had 6 and we took away 6. How many is left in the tree? Did you say 0? Let's see how we make a 0. Big round 0. Very good. So 6 minus 6 equals 0. Very good. Now we're going to go to our next slide after I put this one back. Okay, it's all back. And I'm going to go to the next slide. Okay, now, I hope you have this paper ready. Put your name at the very top of this paper. Make sure it's always on there. Now it says fill in the bubble under each shape that is divided into halves. Now remember, halves are where you take a whole something and you cut it in equal pieces, 2 equal pieces. So let's look at this birthday cake. It is cut right into 2 pieces. Is this the same size as this side? This side and this side. Are they equal? They are. So we can fill in that bubble. Okay. You can put a little meatball in there if you want. Oh, tomatoes. It's cut into 2 pieces. So I'm going to take this part of the tomato and you get that part. Would that be fair? No, because they're not the same size. So they're not equal. They're not cut in half. So that's not a half. The sunshine. The sun. If we could cut it into 2 pieces right there, would this side be the same as that side? Yes, it is. So those are equal. That means the sun is divided into half. It's divided in halves. So fill in that little bubble. Okay. All right. Now this next part, I'm going to have you do that yourself because you're good at that. And this part here, write the missing number. Now you have your number chart, so you can do this. This one is the in-between number, goes between 41 and 43. You can figure out, if you need your number chart, you can use that. This is the before number. It's missing the before number. It's before 17. We've got box 17, 18. So you figure out what box is. And then we have 78, 79, box. Figure out what box is. Let's go down to the bottom part of this. We have a 2-sided paper, so we got to get onto the other side so I can show you, because it's pretty complicated. But it's fun. This says color. Now you remember what that number word is that looks like it says EGIT? That's a sight word. What do you think it is? If it looks like EGIT, it's 8. So you color 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so you know how to do that. Let's go to the next slide. Now this is kind of fun. You have to write the answers. This is going to take you some time, and you have to watch out for minus ones. This one's a minus, a takeaway. So let's work on the minus ones. I'm going to help you through the minus ones first. Okay, and then we will color them. These are pluses. That's plus, 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 minus. Okay, so I'm going to take away my writing on that. We have 7. If you have 7 fingers up, let's see, put up 7 fingers. Can you do that? It's going to take both hands. You have 5 on one hand and 2 on the other. Take one of those fingers down. How many do you have left? You have 6. Is that what you got? So that's number 6. Let's go over here. I'm going to do one of these. 2 plus 3. What is 2 plus 3? Let's start counting at 3 and count 2 more. Okay, 3, 4, 5. So that one is a 5. Don't do any coloring yet, because if you start coloring now, you have trouble with the color key up here. You have to go by the answer. So let's find another minus. Do you see a minus on there? Okay, I see one right here. This is 5 minus 1. Remember, you can write whenever we're going down, you write the number underneath. So hold up 5 fingers. You got 5 fingers up? Take away one of those fingers. That means you have to put one down. Put one down. How many do you have up still? Did you say 4? That's right. Let's look at this next one over here. This isn't a minus, this is a plus. 2 plus 2. So hold up 2, and then 2 more. Did you get 4? That's what's there. So both of these numbers are the same. The answers. Let's go over here. This is 4 minus 1. Okay, are you ready? Hold up 4 fingers. Take away one of those fingers. How many do you have up there? Do you have 3? That's right. So now we get to do something fun. I'm just going to do the parts that we have got numbers. See, this has got a number there. So we've got a 5, right, that we wrote. The number that you wrote, not the number that's here or here, the one that you wrote. We'll go up here, find 5, and what color is that going to be? Purple. So I'm going to get my purple, and I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. Okay, so I might even make it a little bit bigger than that. Okay, let's see if that works. I'm going to color the 5 purple. Oops, it's not coloring. There we go. Oh, I got way too big on that one. Okay, so I colored that one purple. Did you get that color? Did you get that color of purple? Let's go over here to the one we answered here. What number is that? That is a 6. So what color is that going to be? Yellow, sunshiny yellow. So I'm going to color that one yellow. My yellow is kind of like not sunshiny. I hope yours is better than mine. Okay, let's go down. Oops, I'm going to go over here. Just this part. We don't have a whole lot of time left. We have 5 minus 1 is what? Did we write down here? Did we write 10? No, we wrote 4. What color is 4? That's green. So I'm going to go up here and get my green, and I'm going to color this part green because I got 4s on that. So this is the last one we're going to do. Right? You can see the writing through it. So that's as much as I'm going to do. You're going to do the rest. I just wanted to show you. Always go by what the answer is. So you do all of these. You have to put the numbers in that it's the right number. And like the rabbit, you'll color the whole rabbit. You color the whole, each one of the flowers, not just the answer, but the whole flower. And color it according to this color key. Take your time and have fun with it. This is a really fun paper. Okay, I'm going to clear that off. And that's all we have in our math lesson, our number skills lesson today. So I will, there's also a science lesson today, so don't forget to watch our science video for today. And our basement letters that we're going to be doing today. Okay, bye-bye.